This time, I'm making a set meal with Saikyo Yaki Turbot. Cover with aluminum foil and thaw in the refrigerator for a day. Mix white miso with sake, mirin, and sugar until well combined. If you are concerned about salt, use low sodium miso or add 2 tablespoons of water. It's a bit stiff, so you can use a spoon at first. Spread the miso evenly in a container. You can also use a Ziploc bag to marinate. I'll show you how to remove the fishy smell. Sprinkle the salt onto your hand at the 45 degrees angle to coat the fish evenly. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, then rinse with water and pat dry. Saikyo Yaki is a miso-marinated grilled fish dish. You often find at the Japanese izakaya pubs. Turbot is relatively easy to find at the Asian supermarkets and goes well with Saikyo Yaki. In Japan, gauze is placed between the miso and the fish to make it easier to remove the miso. They are often sold in packs of 3, so I made a miso sauce for 3 pieces. Marinate in the refrigerator for about 12 to 24 hours. Use a rubber spatula to remove the miso. The miso used for the marinade can have the liquid drained, then be frozen and used again. Any remaining miso can burn easily, so wipe it off with a paper towel. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit, about 175 Celsius, for 15 to 17 minutes. Brush the surface with mirin to give it a glossy finish. I placed some crown daisy leaves on top as a garnish. If you can get the crown daisy flowers, would also make it look delicious. I'm going to make miso soup with baby clams and spinach. I'm using baby spinach that doesn't need blanching and canned baby clams. Place the kombu in the water and turn on the heat after letting it set for at least 30 minutes. When bubbles start to appear around the edge of the pot, remove the kombu. Measure 1/3 cup of baby clams, including the liquid. Add the baby clams and miso, then reduce the heat to low. Boiling too long will make the miso lose its aroma. Add the baby spinach and simmer. As soon as it starts to boil, turn off the heat. Chinese eggplants should be firm and glossy, and fresh ones have a white area just below the stem. Remove the stem, cut the eggplant in half, then cut each half lengthwise. Make shallow diagonal cuts in the eggplant skin so it cooks through more easily. Let's take a look from this side. Do the same with the remaining 3 pieces. Arrange the eggplants in a heat-proof dish with the hard part near the stem facing outward. Cover and microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Preheating in the microwave allows it to be cooked with only a small amount of oil. Spray oil on both sides of the eggplant. If you don't have a spray, brush the oil on instead. That was how to make roasted eggplant without using too much oil. Bake in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 to 8 minutes. It's beautifully cooked and looks delicious. Just roasting and eating it with ginger and soy sauce is simple and delicious enough. Finally, I'll make wakame and cucumber sunomono. It's a healthy salad made without any oil. Thinly slice 3 Lebanese cucumbers. Sprinkle salt and let them sit for about 15 minutes. Some salt goes out with the moisture, but if you worry about sodium, try slicing half-thawed frozen cucumbers. In North America, seaweed is becoming popular among health-conscious people. Soak the cut wakame in boiling water for 15 seconds, then drain. Next, soak it in cold water for 15 seconds, then drain. This helps the wakame keep a nice color and improves its texture. This is how workers at the dried wakame factory rehydrated. Dissolve the dashi powder in lukewarm water. Squeeze out the moisture released from the cucumbers. Season the cucumbers and the wakame with dashi, mirin, soy sauce, and rice vinegar. Mixing by hand makes the flavor blend in better than using a spoon or chopsticks. This time, I made a simple sunomono, but it's also delicious mixed with boiled octopus or scallop. This meal is nutritionally balanced. I hope you'll try making it. Thank you for watching.